Dear student, today I start a new chapter, algebraic expressions. So first, constant and variable. What is constants and what is variable? So constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. And variable, a symbol which takes various numerical value is known as variable. For example, suppose 4s, 4 into s. Here the perimeter P, perimeter capital P of a square of side s is given by a formula perimeter equal to 4 into side. So 4 into side, it is an algebraic expression or term. So here 4 is called constant and s is variable. One more, the circumference of a circle of radius r given by the formula circumference equal to 2 pi r. Here 2 pi r, here r is called the variable and 2 pi is constant. Algebraic expression, a combination of constant and variables connected by sum or all the four fundamental operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division, is called an algebraic expression. Example, 5 minus 3x plus 4x square y. Here the three terms, 5 is the first term, one of the term, 3x minus 3x is another term, and 4x square y is the another term. So these three terms connected by the fundamental operation minus and plus. So this is called the algebraic expression. And terms, these are called the terms. 5 is one of the term, minus 3x is another term, and 4x square y is another term. So example, this is the algebraic expression containing three terms, namely 5 minus 3x and 4x square y. One more example, this is an algebraic expression. So 7x square is the one of the term, minus 5xy is one of the term, y square z, that is plus y square z is one of the term, and minus 8 is another term. So these terms connected by the fundamental operation minus, plus, minus. So it is an algebraic expression and these are the terms. Four terms are there. And these are the variable. X square for the first term, 7x square is the first term and 7 is the constant and x square is the variable. Minus 5xy is the second term. Here minus 5 is the constant and x, y are variable. Y square z, there is only one is the constant term, there is no number, so 1 is here. So 1 is the constant, 1 is constant, and y square z is variable, and minus 8 it is the constant. Next, various type of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression which contains only one term is called monomial. So 5x, this is an algebraic expression contain only one term, only 5x, so it is monomial. 2xy containing only one term, it is an algebraic expression contain only one term, 2xy, so it is monomial. So when an algebraic expression contain only one term is called monomial. Binomial, when an algebraic expression contain two terms is called binomial. So these are the 2a plus 3b, one of the algebraic expression. 8 minus 3x, an algebraic expression. X square minus 4xy square is an algebraic expression. So all these three algebraic expression contain two terms. So these are called binomial. Trinomial, an algebraic expression containing three terms is called trinomial. So a plus 2b plus 5c is an algebraic expression contain only three terms, so this is a trinomial. Next algebraic expression, x plus 2y minus 3z. So it is also contain three terms, x, 2y minus 3z. So this is an trinomial, this is a trinomial, and x cube minus y cube minus z cube, this is also trinomial, contain only three terms. Quadrinomial, when an algebraic expression containing four terms is called a quadrinomial. So first quadrinomial, this algebraic expression contain four terms. So four terms are x, y, z and minus 5. So this is a quadrinomial. Next algebraic expression, x cube plus 5 is x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz. Here four terms are x cube, one of the term, y cube is one of the term, z cube is one of the term, and 3xyz is another term. So these four terms, these are the four terms, and this is a quadrinomial. Next, polynomial, an algebraic expression containing two or more terms is called polynomial. An algebraic expression containing two or more terms is called polynomial. So these are all polynomial. These are all, sorry, not, this is a monomial. So from here, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial are all polynomial, and when two terms are there it is called binomial, when three terms are there it is called trinomial, and when four terms are there quadrinomial, but all are generally called polynomial. Next page. Factors, coefficient, factors, coefficient, constant term. So each term of an algebraic expression consists of a product of constant term and variable. A constant factor is called numerical factor, while a variable factor is known as literal factor. Coefficient, for example, factors, for example, in 5xy it is a term, so coefficient x and 5y, and coefficient of y is 5x, coefficient of x. Now coefficient, what is coefficient? In a term of an algebraic expression, in a term of an algebraic expression, any of the factors with the sign of the term is called the coefficient of the product of the other factor in that term. Example, if we discuss with example it is more clear. So in 5xy the coefficient of x is 5y and coefficient of y is 5x. One more example, one of the term is minus 6ab. The coefficient of a is minus 6ab. Here coefficient of a is minus 6b, and coefficient of b is minus 6a except b. The coefficient of b is minus 6a. One more, in minus y the coefficient of y is minus 1 and coefficient of y is only minus 1. Constant term, a term of an expression having no literal factor is called the constant term. In algebraic expression x square plus 5x minus 3, in the last term minus 3 there is no algebraic coefficient, so minus 3 is called constant term. Again we repeat the same thing, constant term, a term of an expression having no literal factors are called constant term. So this is an expression, only this term there is no literal coefficient, so this term minus 3 is called the constant term. Now like and unlike term. In a given algebraic expression, the terms having the same literal factors are called like or similar term, otherwise they are called unlike terms. So when two terms having the same literal factors, literal factors, then these two terms or three or more than three terms are called like terms. Now, addition of an algebraic expression. So, example 1. So, there are three expressions: 5x square minus 7x plus 3, one of the expression. Another expression minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5. Another expression 7x square minus x minus 2. Now, find the sum of these three algebraic expression. So, required sum is sum of these three expression here. First we write this 5x square minus 7x plus 3 plus minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5 plus 7x square minus x plus minus 2. Now remove the first bracket and we write 5x square minus 7x plus 3 and multiply these three terms with positive sign. So minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5 plus 7x square minus x minus 2. Then we arrange the term. So here 5x square minus 8x square and 7x square. These three terms are like terms because here little coefficient are x square and x square. So write all the like terms together. 5x square minus 8x square plus 7x square. Next like terms are minus 7x plus 2x minus x. So all the like terms, because here algebraic little coefficient or little factors are same. So minus 7x minus plus 2x minus x. Next all the constant term together, there is no little coefficient factors. So plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. Now from here x is the common factor from these three terms. So x is the common factor and inside the bracket 5 minus 8 plus 7. Here x is the common factor from these three terms. So x is common and inside the bracket minus 7 plus 2 minus 1 and constant terms 3 minus 5 plus minus 2. So calculated value of these three is 4. So 4x square and 7 minus 1 minus 8 and minus 8 plus 2 minus 6x and it is minus 4. Now one more example 2. Addition of these three algebraic expression, first expression, 7x expression and third. So after removing the first bracket and write all the like terms together, 3x square minus 1 by 4x square and minus 2x square. All these three terms have the same little factors x square and x square. So first we write all the three like terms together here. Next step, I write all the like terms whose coefficient is x. 1 minus 1 by 5x plus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2x here, and constant term 7 by 3 minus 1 by 6 and plus 5. These are also the constant term. So all the like terms together. Next x square is the common factor and inside the bracket 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 2. Here in this three term x is the common factor and inside the bracket minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 and these are the constant term here. Now after simplifying, after calculation of these three terms, LCM is 4. So 4 3 is 12 minus 1 and minus 8. You know how to find the sum of these three fraction. Here LCM of these 5 3 2 is 30. So 5 6 is 30, 6 1 is 6 and minus 6, 3 10 is 30, it is 10, 2 5 15 is 30, so minus 15, and LCM of 3 6 and 1 is 6. So these are the numerator. So 12 and minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. So 12 minus 9 3. So 3 by 4 x square. Here 15 minus 6 minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 plus 10 minus 11 by 30 with x little coefficient and here it is 14 plus 30 plus 14 plus 30 44 minus 1 43 43 by 6. So this is the result. This is the sum of these three algebraic expressions. Thank you.